Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to share WhatsApp screen with your WhatsApp contacts, and in this video I will also show you how to get screen share feature on WhatsApp if you don't have. So first of all, open WhatsApp application on your mobile, and on the chat section you will see these latest feature bottom of your WhatsApp application. And now you have to start a video call. Now you can see on your screen that during video call 5 options are showing, but on the second number you will see option of screen share. Tap on screen share and press on start now. Now you can see that screen of my another mobile is showing on my first mobile. Now go back on your home screen. You can see that my whole screen is sharing on my first mobile. This feature was not available before in WhatsApp. Now I will show you how to get these feature on your WhatsApp. So go to Google Play Store on your mobile and update WhatsApp. After updating WhatsApp, hopefully this feature will be enabled on your WhatsApp, and if this feature is still not showing on your mobile, then go to Google Play Store on your mobile and type WhatsApp beta in search bar. Now scroll down, here you will see a option of beta tester. As I am already a beta tester, so it's showing you are a beta tester. If you are not a beta tester, then you will see option of acceptance. Accept these latest features, and if this method do not work on your WhatsApp, then go to Chrome browser and type WhatsApp beta in Google. On the first number you will see option of WhatsApp beta in Google Play. Click on it. Now tap on become a tester. Now you will become a beta tester and go to Google Play Store again, and here you will see a option of update WhatsApp beta. After completion of WhatsApp updating, restart your mobile. Hopefully you will see screen share option on WhatsApp video call. So in this way you can install screen share feature on your WhatsApp. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.